Thing, start right now. Just one thing you can do is start. So guys, welcome to our next video, and these are the top 8 topics, 8 lessons which will be the best to score 90 plus, and I will also give you the trick how to get 95 plus. Okay, so see, in physics, if we see, as I have said, this topic I have calculated the marks like 3 to 4, and then I have calculated the marks by 8 chapters. By 8 chapters, 25 marks. 8 chapters, 70 to 76 marks. Okay, so this is all you can get by studying 8 chapters. Like if you do this 8 best, you will get 90 percentile best. If you do this best, nothing should be remain from this, and this should be the perfect. Then only you can get 90 plus, and then baki marks. See, you are going to solve this questions. You will going to solve questions from these lessons, but after the paper, after solving these questions, there will be some question remaining. So you should not leave any single question. You should attempt every single question you can, and from that question, if something gets correct, and if you get the correct in maths, you will get 2 marks plus in chemistry, in physics. So you should not leave any chapter. Like, see, you should revise everything, and then by your assumptions or some, you should apply some tukka and all, and then you will get the marks as you want. Like, see, 90% you will get by this only, by doing this 8 chapter. But if you want more, then just use that tukka. For that, study a bit things of a lesson, like the different lessons whichever are there most important. So you will get 95 plus, 95 or 95 plus, in between 90 to 95, which are best marks. But for this condition, now the competition has increased, so you will need 95 plus only. So for that I have a plan. So see, here are the physics chapters which will help you score 98, 99. See, if you do this and add up, and if you add up some tukka strategy, then you are the best. You will score more than 25, not just 25, and consider here like 15, 40 marks, 40 to 45. And if if you get the luck, you will get 50 marks. That's just luck point. If you get here 50, and here, see, chemistry is easy. Chemistry is so easy. This you can score as much as you can. Consider here 50, like 45 plus only you should consider, because chemistry is so easy. If you just read a chapter once and go to solve the PYQs, that will be very easy, and you will absolutely love chemistry. So I prefer do chemistry and maths. Okay, for maths, do this chapter, do vector, lines and plane, like this much, so that it will be like very easy for you. You will love them. These are some critical topics like AOD, differential equation, but if you solve them regularly, definite integration and all things, okay, if you do this, you will get 70 to 75 6 marks. Okay, but if you want more, then for that solve some JPYQs, because if you still do this, the marks you will get is not preferred to 70 to 76, because the hardness, the toughness will be increased as year because of the competition. So I prefer you to go for some JPYQs, and also do the 12th maths perfect means perfect. Do some JPYQs like 10 to 15, whichever are the latest trend, or whichever offers more time, do that. And baki do CET questions and PYQs from maths. That will be perfect for you to score more than 80, and that's all. And here you have some, like, see, if you want, see, do this thing, this box, you will get 96, 97, 98, 99. If you don't know anything, give some stress to your brain, and he will give you answer. He will suggest you something like this can be. For that you have to study. If you have anything idea about any chapter, you should, then the question will be 100% solved by you, not by you, but your mind will find something on that point that you will get the marks. But this exam, it is of 2 hours only, and the speed is the most important thing here. So train your brain in that way that it will be very beneficial for you. So see, my plan is, here is the day plan for 25 March. Like I have uploaded it on the post at 6 o'clock. If someone hadn't got it, so just check that out. And daily I will upload at 6 o'clock. So just who want to be with me, follow with me, follow this, and you will be on the top. Maybe from this spot you will get to another. My plan is like more 10 days I will complete everything. I will do every PYQs of every chapters. This is my plan. And after that 10 days I have my JE examination. I will give 3 to 4 days for JE, and after that I will go to JE paper. And also after coming from JE, like I have JE on 7th, so from 8th I will start my schedule again, and from that point I will start only the mock tests. I will just analyze them, solve them, analyze them, solve them. If I think I'm poor in any subject topic, I will just revise it, go for mock test, and I will share you the link where you will get the mock test and all. But not now. Now I think if you don't know any chapter, you should must. If you don't know any chapter, so just do one thing right now. Take your textbook, sit down, start a one shot, go through the textbook once, and while watching the one shot, underline the notes, whichever you think are the best, the formulas and all. If you want it, write it. If you don't think to write, just go on the PYQs app or any way, if you have any classes or that, and go solving the PYQs. If you have target book, go for a classical thinking, critical thinking, then go competitive. So this is what you should follow if you don't know any chapter or you have to start. I know every chapter, like I have some knowledge about that, so I just revise it and go for the PYQs right now. On that stage I am. If you are on the beginners, I have told you what to do. This is thing you should do. Okay, thank you. And yeah, if you have any doubt, you can just comment down. And here is all the physics, chemistry, maths 8 chapters. Okay, just take a screenshot if you want. See, and here are the additional, like these are physics, chemistry. Do reading of 12th, and here do 12th best. You will definitely score. Okay, thank you. Then do study. If you need anything, I'm there. Just text me, comment. And what do you think? Should we make so many WhatsApp group or something, so that like a discussion group, so that we can talk on that? If you want, then comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.